Some i-Taukei children do not know how to read the Fijian Bible. Great Council of Chiefs Chair Ratu Viliame Seruvakula highlighted this, saying that it was a sad reality. Prime Minister Viliame Rambuka shares that GCC has recommended i-Taukei language for Year 1 to Year 3 students. Ratu reports.
Concerns were raised during the Great Council of Chiefs on the lack of knowledge of the i-Taukei language.
Because as you know, the teaching of the Fijian vernacular was not compulsory. That was not made that changed over the years. And as a result, we got kids in the villages who cannot read the Bible in Fijian, because as a result of that, which is sad.
GCC Chair Ratu Viliame Seruvakula says the Native Language Commission was established to look at this issue.
At the moment, there's the Fijian language words are being created at some institutions. Now, we all know that the GCC is the institution that has the final say on what becomes part of the Fijian dictionary. But because we don't have any, we will need to have a commission. So the commission has been established, and now the work is taking place. The product of the outcome of that will be, or the end result will be, the compulsory teaching of the Fijian language from class 1 to class 3.
Prime Minister Viliame Rambuka says the recommendation by the GCC to make the i-Taukei language compulsory for Year 1 to Year 3 students is a very good idea.
They should not limit it to the vernacular. In the upper classes, they should start introducing the land laws, Native Land Trust Act, Native Land Act, and those things, so that when disputes come up later, people understand who is arguing with whom on what.
Recommendations have also come from the GCC to make cultural learning compulsory for Years 1 to 3. Ratu, Fiji 1 News.